The collision of cargo vessels with whales is one of the leading causes of death for these majestic marine creatures. Did you know 92% of whale habitats overlap with busy shipping lanes? They are the majestic giants of our oceans, yet they face a modern peril. A new study reveals that 92% of whale habitats overlap with global shipping routes, putting these magnificent creatures at risk of deadly collisions. High-risk zones have been identified worldwide, from the coasts of North and South America to the waters off Africa and East Asia. But there's hope. Local initiatives like Whale Safe in California show that slowing ships down in critical areas can dramatically reduce collisions. The solution? Expanding these protective measures worldwide. With greater awareness and collaboration between governments, conservationists, and the shipping industry, we can protect these ocean giants for generations to come. Learn more about the fight to protect whales and how you can help at Earth.com. Together, we can make a difference. For more on this story, visit Earth.com from the link below in the description. Stay focused on our planet with Earth.com.